So in this video, I'm going to be installing this little barrel heater into my shed. But before we do that, I need some work. So we got this adapter for the chimney to work. I have to put some silicone in that crack from where I had to make this adapter fit by adding a little spacer. So I need to put some silicone on that, and then I'm gonna try to fix this damper thing to adjust your airflow. Just on a bolt, so you can unscrew it and screw it in. I'm gonna try to fix that. And then I got some chimney, and we'll see if we can put it in the shed and see if we have enough chimney to make it work. Siliconed up, and then now I'm gonna fix this damper thing. I'm gonna weld this right there, and then weld this piece onto that circle thing, so it'll just tighten up for less airflow and loosen it for more. So here's my shed. It's a bit of a disaster. I need to clean it up, but I'm hoping to get this done first, and then I can have it nice and warm in here. So I got this tin heat shield around it, and then I got some of the chimney put in up to there, and then I need to cut a hole in there and put it out the end. So that's the next thing, is cut a hole up there, and we can put it out the wall and then get a fire. So got the chimney all the way up and out, but I'm gonna bring up the wood stove on a cinder brick so it's not on the wooden floor, and then on the outside I need to extend it. I need to extend it out past the eave, and then I'm gonna got another 90, and it's gonna go up past the peak of the roof. So I got a few adjustments to do, and then I also have a damper I gotta put in. So I got that panel unscrewed, so this is all loose, because I'm gonna put a 3-foot piece in here instead of 2 feet, so it can stick out far enough. And then I need to put my damper in somewhere down there, so I gotta kind of disassemble this, and I gotta cut the hole in the wood a bit bigger. Got the cinder block put underneath it. Now I gotta cut that hole a little bit bigger, so I have a little more adjustment. Now that it's up a little bit taller, need that a bit bigger, and then I can put all of it back together. So I got it all sitting on the cinder brick. I put the damper in. I put a bunch of self-tapping screws so it's all screwed together. I put the 3-foot piece in the top. It's all straight. I cleared up the loft area so there's a lot of clearance. goes out the end. I just put a piece of copper pipe and some plumber's tape just to hold that upright piece from falling over. I put screws in the elbow and everything so it doesn't come undone. Now I'm gonna get a fire going and it's all working good now.